Stop moving. Don't move me. Stop moving me.
His leg fell off.
The mouse's leg?
Yes. So did his tail's ready to come off too.
Gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh, that's good pictures. He's recording.
It's like this is not for television.
These signs will tell us where apartment number 4 is.
Look at him. Yum, yum, yum.
Keep an eye on Freddy, okay?
Yeah, there's a 4. So, which way do we need to go?
It's like a hog.
Yeah, that way. Let's go.
Mama, take a picture already.
Yeah, she's taking pictures.
Stop moving me. Get off of me.
Don't touch her. How's he doing? Eating?
When Emily left her apartment, she had all of her sparkle shells.
She must have dropped one somewhere in this hole.
Oh, he go crazy.
Mommy friend,
Then we shouldn't pick it
you
up.
to help find the seashell. When you see a seashell, say, seashell.
Can you get it, Freddy?
There it is. Awesome. You found our first shell.
Oh, yay! Shell in mine.
I hope this one's not big enough for Freddy. Mom, is this one okay for Freddy? It's kind of big.
Yeah, it's good. He can fix it. He can work it.
He'll find a way. He'll get that big thing in there.
We're here on floor 9.
Almost done. Very good. Are you going to put that on Facebook?
On the other side.
Yeah, everybody's already grossed out because I've already posted pictures.
Do we need to go up
He's like,
or down?
there's a little tail sticking out of his mouth.
Then of the dragon and the kid.
I'm going to get that thing in my mouth. Like a little cigarette sticking out of his mouth.
So we need to go to floor 6. Movie friend, which button has the